Today we dive into the flavors of Italian tradition to prepare a risotto cacio e pepe, a dish that combines the creaminess of al dente rice with the characteristic taste of aromatic pecorino and the lively kick of black pepper. Ingredients: 320 grams of carnaroli or arborio rice, 1 liter of vegetable broth, 100 grams of grated pecorino romano, a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 30 grams of butter, extra virgin olive oil or butter for sautéing. Start by lightly toasting the rice with some extra virgin olive oil or butter without letting it color. Continue cooking by adding the hot broth, 1 ladle at a time, waiting for the rice to absorb it before adding more. In the meantime, grate the pecorino romano and grind the black pepper if necessary. Continue with the addition of broth, as the rice requires it for about 18 minutes, until it's cooked al dente. When the rice is almost ready, incorporate the grated pecorino and the black pepper, stirring until you get a cream with the broth and rice. Finish the preparation by adding the butter off the heat and letting the risotto rest for a couple of minutes covered with a lid. Serve your risotto cacio e pepe hot, with an extra sprinkling of pecorino and black pepper to enhance its flavor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to explore more wonders of Italian cuisine and visit our website for more recipes and tips. This dish, born from the meeting of Lombard and Lazio culinary traditions, reveals the importance of the art of creaming, essential to achieve the perfect creaminess.